Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to draw mittens. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start with, we're gonna start drawing in this big curve right here. And notice how it look like an upside down U. And now right here we're gonna start drawing in the thumb area. So you're gonna do a similar curve, it just gonna be slightly smaller, as you can see right here. Then we'll curve down and we'll stop about here. Now on the left at the bottom right here, we'll put in two curves. It kind of look like a squiggly line. And we'll put in two more curves on the right hand side. And this is just the part where does wrap around the wrist. And then we will connect both together with this slight curve. Alright, nice. Next we will continue on and finish off the rest of the mitten right here. So with a slight curve, and we will add in these little folds as well. Alright, nice. And then we will do a little bit of cleaning up to our mitten. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we finished with our mitten. And before you guys say, wait, in the title they say how to draw mittens, which will mean two. That's correct guys. So a quick solution for that, we just go and duplicate the layer that we have our first mitten on. So we go and duplicate this layer. And then we will just flip it. And then we will just adjust and move it over. And now you see we have mittens. Power of digital art. Like say if you have the same thing and you know you how to draw it again, just duplicate it. Or you could copy and paste, but it saves a lot of time. Alright guys, so now that we have our mittens, we could go ahead and add in the final touches. So we just go and add in these lines following the shape of our mittens. So there's just the stitching or the seam. So you can see right there. And it really gives it this three-dimensional look, which helps it look less flat. And we will do the same thing to the right mitten. And take your time with it guys, no rush. Alright, nice. Alright guys, so we finished with our mittens. Now we could kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we back after the time lapse. And as you could see, our mittens looking real smooth. And while we was inking this through the time lapse, I was thinking to myself, would it be possible to draw with mittens on? That is the question right there guys. But with that being said, bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.